The Royal Air Force's rugged twin-rotor Chinook support helicopter has been involved in most of the UK's military operations stretching back to the Falklands Conflict, Northern Ireland and in both Gulf Wars, to peacekeeping in Bosnia, operations in Kosovo, the evacuation of Sierra Leone, and most recently its high-profile missions in Afghanistan. Author Chris McNab has been given full access by the Royal Air Force to its Chinook helicopters and crews to give an unprecedented insight into their operation and maintenance, fully illustrated with a stunning selection of photographs and technical drawings. Find the link below and buy the book now.